Grammalogs arranged alphabetically. A, an, accord, according, advantage, a, all, and, any, are, as, ought, if, a, balance, be, because, been, behalf, belief, believe, believed, beyond, build, building, but, call, called, can, cannot, care, cared, chair, chaired, cheer, cheered, child, circumstance, cold, come, could, dear, deliver, delivered, delivery, deliverance, difference, different, difficult, do, doctor, during, a, quali, equaled, first, for, from, general, generally, generalization, gentleman, gentleman, give, given, go, gold, great, guard, had, hand, has, have, he, him, himself, his, our, how, however, important, importance, impossible, improve, improved, improvement, in, influence, influenced, information, inscribe, inscribed, inscription, instruction, instructive, is, it, itself, justification, language, large, largely, larger, liberty, lord, me, member, mere, more, most, Mr., much, myself, near, next, nor, northern, number, numbered, o, of, on, opinion, opportunity, ought, out, our, over, of, owing, on, particular, people, pleasure, principal, principally, principle, put, quite, rather, remark, remarked, remember, remembered, satisfaction, school, schooled, selfish, selfishness, sent, several, shall, shalt, abort, should, significance, significant, signification, signify, signified, southern, speak, special, specially, spirit, subject, subjected, subjection, subjective, sure, surprise, surprised, tell, thank, thanked, that, the, their, them, themselves, their, therefore, thing, think, third, this, those, though, thus, thyself, till, to be, told, to, toward, towards, trade, tried, truth, to, under, usual, usually, valuation, very, was, we, what, when, whether, which, who, whose, why, wish, wished, with, within, without, wonderful, wonderfully, word, would, writer, yard, year, you, young, year. Grammalogs arranged phonetically. Put, special, specially, speak, principle, principal, principally, people, surprise, surprised, particular, opportunity, spirit, be, to be, subject, subjected, subjective, subjection, liberty, member, remember, remembered, number, numbered, believe, believe, believed, behalf, been, balance, build, building, it, itself, truth, tried, towards, trade, towards, tell, till, told, circumstance, satisfaction, instructive, instruction, had, do, different, difference, doctor, dear, during, deliver, delivered, delivery, deliverance, advantage, difficulty, much, which, chair, cheer, chaired, cheered, child, large, larger, largely, general, generally, generalization, justification, gentleman, gentleman, can, come, because, care, accord, according, cared, call, equal, equally, called, equaled, cold, school, schooled, quiet, could, cannot, inscribe, inscribed, inscription, go, give, given, signify, signified, significant, significance, signification, guard, great, gold, foe, from, have, several, over, however, valuation, very, thank, thanked, think, third, though, them, those, thyself, this, thus, themselves, there, within, southern, that, without, therefore, has, as, his, is, first, was, whose, shall, shalt, wish, wished, selfish, selfishness, sure, short, usual, usually, pleasure, me, him, myself, himself, most, more, remark, remarked, Mr., mere, important, importance, improve, improved, improvement, impossible, in, any, on, influence, influenced, next, nor, near, opinion, northern, information, hand, under, sent, language, owing, thing, young, lord, your, year, yard, word, our, hour, ourselves, rather, writer, we, whether, wonderful, wonderfully, an, the, a, of, to, all, to, on, but, who, of, he, and, should, if, ought, who, how, with, when, what, would, beyond, you, why.